Hello, good morning. It's been honestly way too freaking long since I have turned on the camera and talked to you guys. Actually, it's been a whole 3 months since my last vlog. I was just watching them the other day and I totally forgot how much I enjoyed that creative process. I've been dealing with a ton of new changes within the past 3 months. One of the big major changes is that I did start a new job. Prior to my current role, I was actually working remotely, so I had a lot more flexibility. But in my new role, which I absolutely love and am super excited about, it is 4 days in the office. And so there's less flexibility there, and I think I just wanted to be really hyper-focused on onboarding well. So that was a professional change, but on a personal level, I also went through a pretty major change. I think super challenging, but ultimately good. Picked up therapy for the first time in my life, which I have been absolutely loving. Like, there is a reason why everyone recommends it. It doesn't matter what you're going through. You could be at your high highs or your low lows. It is equally beneficial to everyone. We're already halfway through the year and I did want to vlog more this year, and so I do want to pick up that commitment that I made to myself. There's a ton of exciting things as well that I'm looking forward to that I would love to document. Actually, today I have a staycation with my friend. She has this brand like campaign. She has this campaign and I'm going to tag along with her as her +1. So you guys are coming along with me for the ride.
Somebody help me get over it. Somebody help me, yeah. Somebody help me get over it. Somebody help me.
Alright, I am ashamed to admit that I haven't cooked myself a meal in a really long time. But today I am going to be cooking a home-cooked meal, and I just received this package from Brightland. I have their olive oil, their orange blossom honey, and their champagne vinegar. So we're gonna try to make salad from it. And for protein, I think I'm gonna make a chicken maple sausage. So let's get to it.